Get it wool like a hose in the dirt. Wanna lay in your lap, rub her face in your shirt.
Alright, so that's that.
Got my boy around.
What's happening?
What's happening?
Ain't not much. Trying to tighten these wires on up, put it together, lock it down, test everything, make sure everything's secured, nice and tight. Try to get things look nice and pretty. Time we get finished with all this right here, you ain't gonna see none of this. We're gonna have a few little dangling wire harnesses, that's all we want. Yep. Have the radio installed pretty much, got it all tested up, about to lock it down in place. Everything up in the console, make it nice and user friendly as possible. If you gotta take it back out, you know, which I doubt very seriously. Yeah, man, that's that on that.
So,
Yeah. Back. Window seal, can we see?
Do the Vince do that?
Oh.
Do they Vince do that? Do they? They Vince don't do that.
I don't think so. And they work too.
Try to hide some of that box up under there.
what year is this truck stitched?
66.
66. I'll see it, man.
Be ready.
Yeah, be ready.
It'll be a quick transition.
That's like this guy.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
True that. That's true. I get what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been for a while.
He's been buying that little stuff as he go. That make it a lot easier for the swap to go quick. You know what I mean? Because he got a new gas tank.
Gas tank. Yeah.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, it's over there. I think I saw it.
Yeah, he's got a new gas tank, pulley kit,
House gonna shop clean on.
converter, wiring harness, plugs, coils, all this. But he's got a whole new gasket kit for the engine too that he bought. So we'll take cause I think he's going. No, he's leaving it stock, but he's got painted valve covers. He got his intake painted already.
That color?
No, it's a black with like a red flake. Well, I guess no, because this is like a dark burgundy. It might have a burgundy flake in it instead of a red flake. Yeah, he brought everything.
Yes, sir.
He's doing a 6-0. Just a stock 6-0.
Y'all wait around for the full vlog. Should be ready real soon.
Sooner than you know it. We on jet fuel right now.